I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it from me. If you're looking to receive money through Bank of America, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Set up online banking. Log into your Bank of America account online or through the mobile app. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Step 2. Enable Zelle. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer section and select Send Money with Zelle. Follow the prompts to enroll your email or mobile number. Step 3. Share your Zelle information. Let the person sending you money know your registered email or phone number are linked to Zelle. This is how they will send you the funds. Step 4. Confirm receipt. Once the sender completes the transaction, you'll receive a notification via email or text. Check your account balance to confirm the funds have arrived. Step 5. Withdraw or use funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double check that the email or phone number you provided is correct. Happy banking!